Welcome to UpStarPlus. How to pull project from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. It's quite easy. Do you see this? Git pull requests. This is an extension. Go to Extensions tab, search for GitHub pull. This is the extension. GitHub pull requests. Install it and enable it. After that, press Ctrl Shift P from keyboard or click Settings icon and click Command Palette. Here, type git clone. Select it, clone from GitHub. If you're not logged into GitHub, first time you'll have to log into GitHub. I'm already logged in, so it shows all of my repositories. I can select any repository from here, or I can go to my GitHub account, select any repository, click at the top, copy the URL of the repository, and then paste it here. Hit enter or select this one that it is suggesting. Now it needs a folder where I will save this remote repo. I will select this folder and click select as repository destination. It will ask, would you like to open cloned repository or add it to current workspace? I will select add to workspace and here it is. And remote repo has been added here as well. So this is how you can pull a remote repository into Visual Studio Code directly. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.